Today I want to share some simple tips for nose bleeding, runny nose, and coughing. So for this you need one simple item, garlic. So first take 1 or 2 raw garlic, 1 or 2 pieces, you smash it. So you put this smashed garlic at the bottom of your feet, 涌泉, so like this, and you use a tape that's good for your skin to keep it there for 1 or 2 minutes. So if your nose bleeding just one side, then tape the garlic on the opposite side of your feet. So the point we use is called 涌泉. It is the beginning of kidney meridian. It's one of the most important detox points at our body. Do you have cough, especially dry cough? So first find your sternum here. So 1, 2, 1, 2, so 2 some away. So on this line, there's 6 points. You try to find the most tender points and acupress there for 1 or 2 minutes. So here, here, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 points. So let's begin. Sternum, and then 1, 2 some away. So beginning from here, collarbone. Right below the collarbone, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these 6 points, you try to find the most tender points that make it most painful, and then you do this in a circular motion, massage, acupress. Do you have very bad cough? So here I share some massage or acupressure to reduce the coughing. First, use your 4 fingers, massage this area, curl back, neck, close to your shoulder. Fast, make it warm. 20 or 30 times. Use other hand, massage like this, fast and hard, 20 times. So second, use your right hand, squeeze this area as hard as you can. 1, 2, 3, 20 times. Then use left hand, squeeze this side as much as you can, as hard as you can. 1, 2, 3, 20 times. So last one, use your fingertips, massage this area, like this, circulation 20 times. This is between the collarbone. So please see my part 2 for more tips for coughing. Hi, here I show you a very simple tips for losing weight, throat hurt, coughing, or any digestive issues. So find a toothpick and put into your mouth, and use your tongue to move this toothpick left and right, total 50 times. Let me show you. So do this left, right, 50 times. As I said, do 4 sets per day.